Good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to see about Muhurta. In our previous video about Muhurta, you explained there are two types of Muhurta. One is Lavahika Muhurta and one is Vaidika Muhurta. Lavahika Muhurta is Muhurta using 311 lots. So we have explained some 6 to 7 rules also in that video. Those who missed it can see this video from the link given in the description, and also at the end of the video we are given the link. So now, like Prashna, we are going to post around 100 Muhurtas each in Lavahika Muhurta and Vaidika Muhurta. So persons who are having doubts can go through this, and at the end of this series they will be able to fix Muhurta on their own. So before going to the video, we request viewers who are not subscribed to subscribe and also press the bell button and select all notifications, so that whenever we post video you will get notifications and will not miss any videos. Now, going into the rules, we already explained 6 to 7 rules, so we are not going to repeat that. So on May 15th 2020, Sun is going to transit to Taurus. So it will be conjoined with Mercury and Sun. So now these three lots are conjoined together, which is a special Muhurta, especially for Simha Lagna, that is Leo ascendant, because the Lagna Lord, the third Lord Venus, and the 11th Lord Mercury all are conjoined together and placed in 10th house, which is also a Kendra house, and also they are in Kendra to each other, that is Sun, Mercury, Venus are Kendra to each other. So this is a special Muhurta. So now on 15th May morning 6 to 8 it will be Rishabha Lagna, 8 to 10 Gemini, 10 to 12 Cancer, 12 to 2 Leo Lagna. In that we have to take Venus star and Mercury Upagraha, since these two planets are the 311 lots for Leo Lagna. In Simha Lagna, Venus star and Mercury Upagraha will come at 24 degrees, 2340 approximately, so I will round it off to 24 degrees. Converting this into minutes, we will get 24 into 4 is 96 minutes, which is 1 hour 36 minutes. So adding this to 12, we will get 1:36 p.m. So this is the time where the 311 lots are coming together. The Lagna passes through this at this time. So this is very special because the Lagna Lord, third Lord and 11th Lord are placed in Kendra house to Lagna, as well as they are Kendra between each other. So we can try some minor events on this Muhurta to gain confidence. This combination will be there till May 24th. After that, Mercury is transiting to Gemini. That is also a good Muhurta, but this is more special. In this 10 days, Moon will be conjoining with these three planets on 2 days. That is a separate thing. So we will explain those things in a separate video. But however, May 15th to 24th, we can use this Muhurta. So on May 15th, 1:36 is a good Muhurta, 1:36 p.m. On May 16th, 1:32 p.m. On May 17th, 1:28 p.m. Like that you can reduce 4 minutes up to May 24 and try this Muhurta. So during this lockdown period, we will be facing a lot of restrictions and also a lot of hurdles in our day-to-day activities due to some restrictions. So we can use this Muhurta to get things achieved. There is one drawback in this Muhurta, which is Saturn is aspecting the third house. Whenever Saturn aspects 3rd or 11th or Lagna, we have seen in our rules, there will be delay. So there will be some delay, but the event is not denied. So the event will happen definitely. So you can try this muhurta. You can go to your shop or call a person, or you can go for a travel, which means moving from one place to other for some important work. Like this you can perform minor activities. Then we can also go up to fixing marriage using this muhurta. That is a separate part. So once we complete the 100 muhurtas and you practice it, you can fix muhurta on your own. And also you can fix customized muhurtas for special events. So this is the muhurta number 1 we are starting today. So you can make use of it and give us your feedback. And also if you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. If any queries are not replied in the previous videos, you can post that in the new videos whenever we post, because we may miss something. And also the queries asked in WhatsApp, we are replying on weekends. So thanks for your continuous support. Take care. Bye. See you again.